Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I am going to share a great news for you guys. Measure have just released their airdrop, so I am going to show you my performance on the app. I'm going to show you the level of achievement I have on the app, and I'm also going to show you how you can claim your airdrop, the best wallet you will use to claim your airdrop. So first of all, I'm going to show you my activities on this app so that you will be able to know all the effort I put in, and at the end of the day I was given a particular number of tokens which I'm going to share with you guys in this video. So if you check on this stars, I'm going to show you my rank. I'm also going to show you the number of stars I was able to accumulate. So this is my rank in the world: 460,257 in the world. Then my number of stars, you can see 2.1 million 58,425. So this is the number of stars I was able to accumulate. So at the end of the day, I was given this number of airdrop. You can see I received 10.6 token from Measure. Now the reason is because I did not participate in the start transaction. I did not do turn transaction. Remember that airdrop is supposed to be free, so that is why I did not pay attention to this aspect. I did not want to spend my money for anything, so I made sure I did other tasks, which is inviting friends, task completion, achievement, participation, and game squad and all that. So this is the number of coin I received. So I'm going to show you how you can claim this airdrop, the best wallet for you to use, for you to claim this airdrop. Don't go and use any wallet, so that at the end of the day you not come and start regretting or start paying gas fees. So you click on OK. When you click on OK, you are going to select the wallet address where they will send your coin to. So I've always been using Telegram wallet for all the Telegram airdrops. So I will advise you to use Telegram wallet because I think that's the best wallet for you to use. So you click on Telegram wallet, you leave exchange and come to Telegram wallet. You can see wallet in Telegram. You click continue. So when you click continue, you are going to confirm. You are going to confirm it. So I'm going to also make a video on how you can sell your coin on Telegram. So now you can see wallet times Measure. You click on continue. You click on continue. You can see you are all set. Return to Measure. I have done that already. You can see I have connected my Measure to my Telegram wallet. You can see 10.6 Measure deposit to your wallet in progress. This 10 coin will be sent to my Telegram wallet. So you can see, don't choose another option, just click OK. You can see deposit in progress. Now be ready for the listing on November 28th. You can click OK. So guys, that is all. This my 10.6 token will be sent to my Telegram wallet. It is very easy to do this. So make sure you use a wallet that is easy for you, so that at the end of the day you will not have issue withdrawing your coin. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe so that when next I post another video, you will get a notification.